Yes, good day. The reason why I posted this video today is because recently there's a gentleman by the name of Mr. Peter Pellicia. He posted his video on YouTube showing his method of how to roll the hose into the hose reel of a Gerni pressure washer. We both agree the instruction from Gerni doesn't show us how to do it. So I recently just bought this Gerni pressure washer myself from a local Bunnings hardware store. Mine's a Gerni Classic 125.5 Titan. Mr. Pellicia, I believe he has a 130 series Gerni pressure washer, which both of us have a very similar hose reel. So I'm just showing my method of doing it, which is a little bit different from Mr. Pellicia's method. So instead of me disconnecting the hose from the main unit here and put it into the hose reel to roll it in, I disconnect it from the gun itself. And I lift this connection permanently connected to my main unit instead, and I just hook this onto the clip on the hose reel, and I just start winding it in. That's it. So this part is permanently connected to the main unit. Just hook this around, put the wire around it, and I just store it away like that. And if I want to use it again, take away the wires, cable, and I just unwind it in the reverse direction. And it's out, and I just connect to the gun, and away I go. So this is just my method of how to roll in and unwind the hose from the hose reel from the Gerni pressure washer. So maybe other people have their own methods. They can show it to us on a YouTube video. All right, thanks for watching.